Alright, well, this day we got the new can for it. Alright, we gotta back this off. It's a little misty out tonight, but she would like to grill, so I'm gonna grill. What are you doing, young lady? That. Pocket, what are you doing? Need your help? Okay. Zipper on my head. Okay. Turn that up. Okay. Gas on. Let's go ahead. Tighten that down too. Just like that. That's tight. Alright. Ouch. Hang my head. Alright. Close the door. I wish it would make up his mind. Never ran on that. Acts like it's wanting to. Right. Alright, babe. Wish you went. I gotta like it wants to rain. In stainless. Gonna hurt it none. Babe? Where are you? You wanna do light?
What?
You wanna light it?
Why?
I know, I'm gonna light it. So what do you wanna do?
Did it light?
Nope. Yeah, I guess it did.
Well,
Here, hit it again. Okay. I smell heat. Oh yeah. Look. See it?
she won.
That one's cooking.
I see another one.
There it goes. Okay. Very nice. There you go. Get your little burns on the grill.
All right, close my shit.
Okay. We use the one. There we go. All right. It's a nice.
Should only need two,
you see the
right?
nice little blue? It's a little blue.
Uh-huh.
That's sweet. All right. Now watch the gauge. Gauge reach 100. Cool blue. Watch the gauge climb. See if your side burner will light.
I don't have anything for my side.
That's all right. Just want to make sure it works. There you go. Oh, that's nice. Isn't that pretty?
It is pretty.
All right.
Oh, look at it. It's even reflective in there.
Hi, everybody.
Fix my hair.
Yeah, fix your hair.
There we go. Better.
Awesome. Get that. Good solid place here. There we go. We're starting to watch the. Yeah, might as well get them all.
I want all 3 of them on.
Get them. Sure, they're all burning.
Shouldn't need all 4 of them, should I?
No, just it'd be nice. It'd be nice just to get them to make sure they're all.
I'm gonna let them do their thing, though.
Make sure they're all firing. Firing? I think so.
Does it look like it's on?
Yeah, they're cooking.
They don't smell. They smell like just gas.
Yep.
I saw that one light. I don't see that one light, do you? I don't see anything blue in it either. That one's not lighting.
There you go.
To see, red, red, red.
Right. No.
Oh, I don't see it lighting. You might have to tweak that one.
Go ahead and kick it. Oh, I see. There it goes.
Well, I guess if you do it enough times, it'll light. Shouldn't be that way for $600.
Well, I don't think you had it far enough over. I see it now. Okay, off. There it goes.
That click should mean it lights.
It did.
Well, I clicked it every time.
Well, they may not have enough gas.
Well,
No.
I clicked it every time. It's not me. Move so I can heat it up.
That's good.
Not my error.
It's working fine.
Make it like it's my fault.
Yeah, it's working
You might
fine.
not run it right.
I didn't say you didn't do it right. I'm just saying you may not have turned it far enough.
Well, let me
They're
play
working
that
now.
back. Listen to the click.
I hear the click.
When I turned it.
I heard it. I just didn't see any gas. Then again, it might have taken a little while for the gas to get up in the tube.
Might have.
Nothing to do with you.
That's right.
Even cleaned up.
It's all scratched on the top of it. What the hell?
Okay, climbing.
Be scratched.
Climbing. Climbing, climbing.
Huh.
Huh.
Makes me sad. Why is my grill scratched?
Oh, my word.
It's free to you. It cost me $600.
Not going to be perfect.
For $600, it should
Not
be
going to be
gold.
perfect. Not being perfect. I don't know how hot that has to get. I don't know how hot it'll go. Love you.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. All right. Turn all the way to open. All right. Baki, how you doing, girlie? Huh? Like that? All right. Red burner, red burner, red burner, and red burner. Almost 300 degrees. It's warm, but oop, I got a little warmer there. Ends are cold. Okay. Wait till it's 300 degrees and go with that. Man, it's cold out here. Like 55 degrees earlier. And weather unfortunately came in and cooled everything down. You can stay in here and stay warm. All right. 300 degrees. What do you think? 300 degrees.
Do you want Southwest garlic and herb? You can't have that. Lexi already called it. She wants the one plain old orange one. Oh my God, you're heavy. Woo, it's warm.
Yeah, it's nice out here. I don't know. The temperature went down in a hurry after
Didn't it though?
with the rain, because we were like 55 degrees. It's probably about 40 now. All right. Hey, put one right off over each burn. Man.
That's heavy.
And the whole time it was down, it only lost 50 degrees.
Uh-oh.
Flaming, flame broil. Very nice.
Pickles.
Right.
That other stuff.
Okay, we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. We'll catch you on the next Around the House.